What's up guys, Omega Dan here and welcome back to the channel. Now today's video is going to be a little bit different because you're going to see a teaser for the upcoming video called Omega Dan's Office / Man Cave Tour. Now this is where all the magic happens. You're only seeing a little slice of it from where I am right now and it's not quite finished yet, but when it is in March, you are going to get a full-on tour. You're going to see where all the magic happens, from filming and editing to just be relaxing and playing some games or watching some TV and all of that kind of stuff. Now I'm really excited because I want you guys to see where I create all the content that you guys so love and enjoy watching. Now check this out. So I hope you guys enjoyed that because I can't wait to show you this video when it's ready. And as you can see here, this is one of my recent additions to the office. This is actually acrylic, and when you put it in here and turn it on, you get like different lights and it flashes and strobes and everything. I was actually meant to get a different one, but there were some shipping issues, so I had to go with this one. But it's actually pretty nice. I think it fits with the decor, especially beside my PS4, and it looks pretty good. I have to say, I had my doubts. I had low expectations, but it really worked out pretty well. And it works on batteries as well as through micro USB. I mean, wow, micro USB, but you know, this is pretty good. I like it. So I just wanted to update you guys. In March, you're going to be getting the Omega Dan office tour, and I want to thank you all for supporting me so far. And if you enjoyed any of these videos, please give it a like and subscribe, as it will really help out the channel a lot. Also check out my Twitch channel where I play a lot of video games and everything. Currently I'm playing Cyberpunk. I'm going to add some more to the repertoire so you can enjoy the playthroughs with me. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you guys up to date on my social media on new videos coming out and other teasers for any other interesting videos that will be coming your way. Thanks for watching, and please remember to live life and stay connected. Till next time.